Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Gordon Ramsay Caesar salad. First, let's craft the iconic dressing. Whisk 2 egg yolks with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard and the juice of 1 lemon. Gradually drizzle in about 150 milliliters of good quality olive oil, whisking constantly until it emulsifies into a thick, creamy consistency. Stir in 25 grams of grated parmesan and 1 teaspoon of anchovy paste for that essential savory depth. Next, let's prepare the croutons. Cut a baguette into 1-inch cubes. Toss them with a generous glug of olive oil, 2 crushed garlic cloves, and a pinch of dried oregano. Spread them on a baking sheet and bake at 180 degrees Celsius until golden and crunchy. While they cool, wash and thoroughly dry your romaine lettuce. Crisp, dry lettuce is crucial for the best texture. Now it's time to bring it all together. Tear your crisp romaine lettuce into bite-sized pieces and place them in a large bowl. Add a generous amount of your homemade Caesar dressing, tossing gently to ensure every leaf is lightly coated. Don't overdress. You want a delicate balance. Finally, fold in your golden, crunchy croutons and a good handful of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. For the perfect finish, sprinkle your Caesar salad with a few more Parmesan shavings and a generous grind of fresh black pepper. You can also add a few extra anchovy fillets if you love that intense flavor. Serve this masterpiece immediately to ensure the lettuce remains crisp and the croutons retain their crunch. It's a truly satisfying dish. Remember to check the description for the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.